Today is the day for planting a new garden. Hi, Lucy, can I help? Of course, I was hoping you'd join me. Together we can make the garden beautiful. Teamwork makes any job easier. We can plant flowers here and vegetables over there. I love the idea. I can help water the plants too. Look, these flowers will attract butterflies and bees. How deep should I plant them? Just a little deeper than your finger. Gardening is all about love and care. This is so much fun. Look, it's a garden helper. Let's put it back in the soil. It will help our plants grow. What's your favorite plant, Tommy? I love sunflowers. They are so tall and bright. Then let's plant some. They'll be the tallest flowers in our garden. Great teamwork. Remember, helping each other makes the garden flourish. We did it. With teamwork, we can accomplish anything. Thanks for letting me help, Lucy. I can't wait to see everything bloom. And remember, little ones, the best gardens are those grown with friendship. The sun sets on their vibrant garden, filled with love and teamwork.